Hi guys, welcome back to Gardening with Creations by DX & Co. I know I've already done an update video on it this year, but it wasn't, the actual guts of the elevated raised bed. So I wanted to actually show you guys real quick another update video because I have to move this, so I actually dug out all the soil. So let's get started. See, that is just a standard backyard dump trailer, and that's how much soil we had in there. I'm not sure exactly how many yards that this holds, but that's the soil that was in there. It's a nice sandy / compost mix that was in there. You can see the cardboard that we originally put in the video is all starting pretty much broken down. I barely found much of it left. So if you guys remember, the elevated raised bed is still doing fantastic. It wasn't level because it actually sank into the ground. But I am going to move this because I don't like the placement, plus all the stuff that you saw underneath there. It's just really hard to weed whack. So I'm going to move this and make sure that's on. It has ground covering. I'm going to be putting rocks over that tarp. I actually think I may put it inside the greenhouse. I'm not 100% on that yet. But I wanted to show you guys an update. So if you'll remember, I had a cardboard layer down, which I expected would rot out this wood. But this was only meant to be a temporary. I really built it for just the fun of building it and to show you guys. But you can see these are the wood. This dirt was just dug out last night. So you can see the wood's still a little wet. But, here it's, I could stand to replace a few pieces that were probably already bad to begin with. Now remember, if you guys remember correctly, this is pallet wood that we put in here, right? So you can see everything just is still holding up. I can probably get at least 3 or 4 more seasons out of this wood probably, and it won't be a problem. In fact, I don't plan on actually replacing any of this wood after I move it. I'm just going to move it and fill it back up. So, but you can see the paint wearing off here. I've been putting the sprinkler right here to water this garden and this one at the same time. The sprinkler is basically sandblasting and blasting all this paint coming off. In the last update video, you can see it was holding up to the elements just fine. This is outdoor exterior paint, but when you're putting that kind of water pressure directly at it, really wasn't the best idea for me to do that. But again, I didn't. So I'll touch that up, I guess. And just so that way it's cleaned up and I'm not getting these paint flecks into my garden, so I'll clear that off really quick. We'll scrape it off, and then that my beaker broke for my rain collector, unfortunately, and this is just kind of rusting out, so I'm going to take this off there. I'm very disappointed. I love this thing. It was already chipping, so that's only been 1 season, so that was a real bummer. But yeah, that's just a quick update, guys. You can see it's very sturdy. I can lift it up with one hand now that it's empty, but it's very, very sturdy still. It's doing great. Held up in the elements through the winter or heavy snow. Everything did just fine. And you can say the real part I wanted to show you was just the inside of these boards. This pallet wood didn't rot with all that water and soil and dirt. You can see the dirt level kind of where it's kind of sank down to after it settled, and that dirt level was probably, I don't have my tape measure on me, but I want to say 6 inches. I grew a tomato in here last year. This year I had all these greens I just transplanted. They're not looking good. They got to get perked back up, but I just transplanted all these greens out of there. And cabbage, that's what was growing in there. They looked great in the bed, but I just moved them. It's very hot and muggy today in this pure sun. And then, as you see, new greenhouse. Watch for a video to come on that if I haven't released it already. I'm working on the actual build video for you guys, and then I'll do another video where I move that one and put it in front of this one. So, alright guys, just a quick update video. If you want to see some more of those videos I was just talking about, I got to prune those tomato plants that are in there. I'll be doing that. I'm going to be creating this whole garden step by step. I'll show you guys what I'm doing. And so if you guys want to see that video, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of that content when it comes, as well as give this video a thumbs up if you like it. You know what, that raised bed video was still to this day one of my most popular videos, and I just want to give you guys an update on it does work. You know, I know lumber costs are very expensive right now. Again, that was made out of mostly pallets. You can see I have a bunch of pallets laying around. I got every single one of these for free. If you look around online in local areas, go to local businesses now that they're starting to open back up, they're going to have pallets that they may be willing to give you. So just an idea. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are staying safe and enjoying your gardens. Thanks for watching.